Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute a video online. So, if you are making an ad, sometimes you're going to have to, well, all the time and most of the times, if you haven't bought the the item that you're selling, you might have to go to AliExpress to download a video, but you want to remove the sound because we're going to put in our own audio and our own voice over that video. So we need to remove the audio behind the downloaded video from AliExpress. So we're going to go to Kidio.com. We're going to look for a free platform. I believe Kidio is free. And what we'll do is that we'll choose file. So now you've already downloaded your video from AliExpress. So now you just have to attach it here. And once you've uploaded your video, maybe just wait a bit. All right, so this is what we need. All we do is just click download.